Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a major development in US politics. President Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act just passed Congress and it includes sweeping immigration measures. Here's what that means for immigrants, families, and those hoping to build a future in America. What is the One Big Beautiful Bill? This huge $3.4 trillion budget and tax package just cleared the House by a 218 to 214 vote after earlier passing the Senate. It extends Trump-era tax cuts and funds new immigration enforcement alongside deep cuts to Medicaid and food assistance. Immigration provisions. What's in the bill? $150 to $170 billion allocated over 4 to 10 years to immigration and border enforcement. That includes funding for 10,000 new ICE agents, 5,000 CBP officers, 3,000 new Border Patrol staff, $46 billion for wall and tech, and $45 billion to expand detention facilities. This will make ICE the highest funded U.S. law enforcement agency, bigger than FBI and over the next few years. Experts warn up to 6 million jobs, including 2.6 million U.S. jobs, could be lost due to massive deportations. Target: 1 million deportations per year, plus a $100 asylum fee and new fees for visa applications. Human rights groups describe this as a crackdown that could violate due process and tear families apart. Polls show most Americans oppose the bill, though opinions split over Medicaid and immigration specifics. Republican leaders and Trump argue it strengthens national security and enforces the border. What this means for Kabayans abroad. For Filipinos and other immigrants in the U.S., expect tougher policies, more ICE raids, delays in visa processing, higher fees, planning or applying. No, you might face longer waits, higher costs, and stricter enforcement. But there's a flip side. Increased fees and funding could mean more resources if your case is processed properly, but risk remains high. So, if you're in the process or planning to come here, consult an immigration attorney ASAP. Stay informed, laws are changing fast. Hit like if this gave you clarity, subscribe for more updates, and comment below. How does this affect you or your family abroad? See you in the next video. Take care always.